So this is just going to be a short video where we will talk about commenting your code in Java. So what is a comment? A comment is just it's a comment in your code which is ignored by the compiler and is not executed, but it is there. For instance, this is a single line comment. So we just type 2 forward slashes and the rest of the line will not be executed. Comments make your code more readable for other developers or maybe yourself to elaborate what your code does. So this is a print statement. Okay, maybe not this, but in bigger projects where your code is not self-explanatory, developers use comments to explain what their code does. So other type of comments I want to talk about in Java is a multi-line comment. So which, as the name implies, can expand as much as you want it to. For example, all the stuff I write inside this forward slash and asterisk will be a comment. It is mostly used to prevent execution of certain parts of your code. So instead of doing your code, you will just comment it out, hoping that you will use it again. So this is just a quick demonstration of how you comment in Java. So in the next video, we'll talk about data types in Java, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.